Thank you. Kiss.
Look at
Hello guys, this is Sarah GT and welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how did I curl my hair, especially when I'm going to the party. So this is what I'm using, Conair curling iron. So I think it is 1 inch. I still remember 1 inch curling iron from Conair. So let's just start it. So this is what I do. I usually start at the backside area. So I have here Tresemme finishing spray, a curl locking all day hold for curls. So it will make your curls look so flawless, look so natural. I love you too, baby. So I always wait for about 20 seconds to finally have that curl that I like. So after the curls, we're gonna spray it with the Tresemme finishing spray to hold our curls for about 24 hours. And the secret, my secret, is to brush it after, and it's either you use a hairbrush or just your hand. So this is the secret why it looks so natural. Then I'm just gonna fix a little here, something that I miss. And if you just need to fix up something, some curls, and yeah, so it has this wavy look. The wave looks natural, so you just wanted to fix it a little. Ayan, bongga. Next is I'm gonna find my hairline, because I always wanted to, you know, like do the sideways. And then yeah, then I will spray the Tresemme spray again, so it will, you know, like settle in there, like you have this hair everywhere. So I need to set it up. So this is what it looks like. I'm trying just to trim it. Oh guys, so we're ready to go to the party. To the party.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you. Kiss.
Look at you got my bawana.
Why?
Okay.
So I'm ready for the party. So Tatay will watch the kids. Right? I mean today, and my friend Tina will pick me up around 1:30. So the party will start 2:30, and it's about like 45 minutes drive. And yeah, I think I'm ready.